In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lucidchart to PowerPoint. We'll start inside Lucidchart. First, open the diagram you want to export and use in your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you're in the editor view because that's where the export options are located. Once your diagram is open, look toward the top left area of the menu bar and click the hamburger icon. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to use. For most presentations, the best options are PNG, JPEG, or SVG. In this example, we'll use PNG since it's a common format that works well in PowerPoint and usually keeps the diagram looking clean and easy to read. After you select the format, Lucidchart will load a preview page for your export. On that preview screen, you'll see a panel on the right with a few settings you can adjust before downloading the file. You can change the file format if needed, choose crop options, adjust the image quality, and decide whether to include the page fill. These settings can affect how your diagram looks once it's placed into your slide, so it's worth taking a quick moment to review them. When everything looks good, click Download in the top right corner and then wait for the diagram file to finish downloading to your computer. Next, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to place the Lucidchart diagram. Once you're on the correct slide, click Insert from the ribbon at the top, then choose Pictures. This will open your computer's file browser. From there, locate the diagram file you just downloaded, select it, and press Enter on your keyboard, or simply click to insert it. Your exported Lucidchart diagram will now appear on the PowerPoint slide. Once it's inserted, you can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere you want on the slide. You can also use the resize handles around the image to make it larger or smaller so it fits your layout better. If you're building a presentation for meetings, reports, or training materials, this is a simple way to bring your Lucidchart visuals directly into your slides while keeping them easy to present. That's all there is to it. Export the diagram from Lucidchart, insert it into PowerPoint as an image, then resize and position it as needed. And that's how to export Lucidchart to PowerPoint.